Back in August of 2015, this story of a UFO blasting Earth with some kind of energy was all over the place. Discovered by YouTube user StreetCap1, the strange event was filmed by the International Space Station during a live NASA Ustream. Unfortunately, the original poster did not place a link to the source footage, but it does look like a legit video, and does not appear to be tampered with. Now, whether or not it is an actual UFO remains to be seen. Orion's Belt, also known as the Three Kings, or the Three Sisters, has been the subject of amazement and speculation for hundreds of years. Located between 736 and 1340 light-years away from Earth, these bright stars have been at the center of conspiracy theories that suggest Orion's Belt is where the origins of human life began. Many ancient cultures believe this, and some have even mimicked this constellation in their man-made structures, like the Egyptian pyramids. The pyramids of Teotihuacan in Mexico City, and the Xi'an pyramids in China. But how about these examples? A cluster of mountains on Mars that are only a few miles away from the famous Mars face. Even the World Trade Center was designed in this formation. What is it about these stars that are so important? Cultures seem to mirror them in their own way. Are they truly the birthplace of humanity? Are they our true home? Is there something we are missing here? On November 17, 2014, Blanche Ward of Charlottetown, a city on Prince Edward Island, Canada, stepped outside her door and quickly spotted something unusual. There were two small trails of smoke slowly flying high across the sky. Ward immediately rushed back into her house and grabbed her camera. When she zoomed in and took her shot, she saw a small red dot with the two lines of smoke trailing behind. She says the object remained in the sky for 1 or 2 minutes before dropping below the horizon and out of view. She also said that she thought it may have been a meteor, or a piece of space debris, but it was never confirmed what it actually was. There was speculation that this might have been a satellite that was shot down by the satellite killer, a secret Russian device that Moscow may have launched to challenge its rival's space hardware. But again, none of this has been confirmed since then. Whatever it was, I guess we will never know. First reported by the YouTube channel, Secure Team 10, this footage of the Sun taken from helioviewer.org, on January 29th, has something very peculiar going on in it. There seems to be some sort of object or entity draining energy. Take a look. This is not the first time this has happened. Back in March of 2012 this object was seen appearing to do the same, then flying away quickly. Is the Sun a possible gas station for extraterrestrial vehicles? Can they withstand that much heat, and does it help travel to far distances? Are these actually beings that can't be seen with our eyes, which is why they appear to be invisible? Or are these instances just simply flares that appear unnatural? Discovered by Mexico Geek of YouTube, using Google Earth, a huge black spot in the Himalaya mountains is causing a lot of speculation by conspiracy theorists. Let's take a look. So here we see the anomaly that is insanely massive. But what could it be? I know a lot of people will think this is just a blacked out section caused by a digital error, or something like that. But it is totally 3D, which means it must have been in several photos that created the map. Scott C. Waring of UFOSightingsDaily.com said that this could be an open area, only visible with high-end digital equipment. Meaning this could be an entranceway for UFOs to enter and exit. It also could be placed there on purpose to hide something incredibly big. Like a military base, but that is completely speculation. This opening, if you will, reminds me of a story I reported on back in August of 2015, of a similar opening found on the side of a mountain in Antarctica. Are these secret military base openings? Are they used by extraterrestrials? Or is something else going on here? Back in 2011 a UFO crash site was allegedly discovered in Antarctica using Google Earth. Take a look. In order to see this, you must backtrack to March of 2011. Click down here. Then shift to the right date here. As you can see, some sort of object is surrounded by 4 tanks. The object has a huge indent in the snow behind it, which could indicate a possible skid during a crash. A few months later, everything is gone, except for the indent. Another strange aspect to this story is the fact that when you go to the ground view, the object becomes flat, so you can't make out any features. And the tanks completely disappear, almost as if they were edited out. So, is this another UFO crash site being covered up in plain sight? Or is it just a bunch of military equipment covered in snow?